typical cervical lining. Here you see a cervix, the protruded part, and the entire endometrial cavity is obliterated by a huge mass which is approximately measuring 10 into 8 centimeters. 10 into 8 centimeter, on cross section of which we will get a lobulated pattern. A lobulated or a whorled pattern. On lobulated or a whorled pattern. Clear? Now, my provisional diagnosis is that of a fibroid uterus. Fibroid uterus. What is the other name for fibroid uterus? Leiomyoma. Leiomyoma. What are the complications of leiomyoma? Leiomyosarcoma, very rarely. What are the morphological variants of leiomyoma or morphological sequelae of leiomyoma? White degeneration, red degeneration, calcification, thrombosis, cystic changes. What are the... Can a leiomyoma undergo malignant transformation? Yes, sir, in very rare instances, around 0.5% cases, a leiomyoma may transform into leiomyosarcoma. Leiomyosarcoma. Clear? Now, considering these features, we'll be moving on to the next specimen, which is this. Acha, what is the commercially available formalin in our setup? It is 40% formalin. 40%. And আমরা এগুলো প্রিজার্ভ করি কত পার্সেন্ট ফর্মালিনে? প্রিজার্ভ করি কত পার্সেন্ট ফর্মালিনে? প্লিজ ডোন্ট কাম। পরের ব্যাচে আয়। It is impossible for me to teach otherwise. There is no humidity, there is no too much humidity and no much, not a single exhaust fan over here. So this was preserved in how much formalin? It is preserved actually in 10% formalin. 10% formalin. What is the 10% formalin made up of? How will you make it up? By 1:4 dilution. 40% আছে যেটাকে 10% করতে হবে, তাহলে আমাকে জল দিয়ে ওটাকে ডাইলিউট করতে হবে। 1:4 রেশিওতে ডাইলিউট করলে we are getting 10% formalin. How will you preserve the other specimen? What are the other preservatives which you use? If you want to preserve this supposedly for a period of very long time, 20 years, how will you do so? By Kaiser-Link solution. Kaiser-Link solution, CAISSER, Kaiser-Link solution containing glycerol. এটা অনার্সে জিজ্ঞেস করে। So the first specimen is over, leiomyoma. তাহলে leiomyoma থেকে leiomyosarcoma differentiate কি করে? What are the features? একটা হচ্ছে necrosis, which is coagulative in character, atypia, and the third point, which is nuclear pleomorphism. Pleomorphism, atypia, necrosis. Mitotic count কত হতে হবে? Greater than 15 per 10 high power. Greater than 15 per 10 high power. So these are the morphological features for leiomyoma uterus. Leiomyoma uterus. Clear? Next, come to the second specimen. This is a wet-mounted specimen containing a partially cut open specimen of gallbladder. A partially cut open specimen of gallbladder. A partially cut open specimen of gallbladder. There were calculi which had accidentally fallen off. Cannot be lifted. Go.
Sir, exam में पूरा ये specimen पे था क्या?
See, you are under record.
Sorry.
So it is a specimen which contains a partially cut open specimen of gallbladder. Okay, and on cross section you have a lumen which is obliterated and there is mucosal ulceration. So my provisional diagnosis is that of chronic cholecystitis. Chronic cholecystitis. Pathogenesis of gallstone জিজ্ঞেস করবে. What are the types of gallstone? Pigmented
cholesterol.
Pigmented cholesterol and mixed gallstone. Pigmented cholesterol and mixed gallstone. What are the pathogenesis of gallstone formation? তিনটে. Supersaturation of bile, enucleation and Michel hypomobility. Gallbladder sludge hypomobility. এগুলো মুখস্থ করবি, বাড়িতে পড়বি gallbladder gallstone formation. What is the gallbladder carcinoma? What are the features of gallbladder carcinoma? You have a exophytic mass. And what are the histopathological classification? Papillary, mucinous, solid, poorly cohesive. Study it, okay? So that is all about gallbladder. Next specimen. This is a wet-mounted specimen which is containing a thin parchment paper-like appearance and which has distinct, which has got a very, very thin wall. Which has got a very thin wall. which has got a very thin wall. And so my provisional diagnosis is that of a cystic lesion of ovary. A cystic lesion of ovary. What are the other cystic lesions of ovary? And why are you calling it to be a cystic lesion? Because it can be either a serous cystadenoma or a mucinous cystadenoma. Serous hole, it would have a thin parchment paper-like appearance. A thin parchment paper-like appearance. Mucinous cystadenoma would have a thick wall and various loculations. Classification of ovarian tumor করবে. Complications of serous cystadenoma কি হবে? Rupture and spillage, leading to peritonitis. Third specimen over. Fourth line. This is a wet-mounted specimen containing a huge breast with retraction of the skin and pewdy orange appearance of the nipple areola complex with a poorly circumscribed mass measuring approximately 3 into 2 centimeter in the posterior aspect. So, my provisional diagnosis is of an invasive carcinoma or carcinoma of breast. What are the morphological variants of carcinoma of breast? Ductal, lobular, theory question. What are the molecular hallmarks of breast carcinoma? Luminal A, luminal B, HER2 new, triple negative. All of these you have to learn. Here, bas. What are the prognostic factors? ER positive, HER2 new positive, check. What is the commonest route of spread for breast carcinoma? Lymphatic. Which site?
Axilla.
Via axillary tail.
Tail of Spence.
Huh?
Axillary tail of Spence.
Spence. Correct. So that is all. MCQ পড়েছিস, থিওরি তো খুব বাজে অবস্থা।
স্যার ফিচারটা আরেকবার বলুন।
নিচ পিজি তাড়াতাড়ি ক্র্যাক করবি, দ্যাট ইজ ফর শিওর। হ্যাঁ,
ফিচার মানে কি দেখে বুঝতে পারবো?
রিট্রাকশন অফ নিপল এরিওলা কমপ্লেক্স হবে, পিউডি অরেঞ্জ অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স থাকবে, স্কিন চেঞ্জেস, আর মাস আছে ওটা দেখে বলে দেবো। চলো, থ্যাংক ইউ।